When it comes to the three major religions of Chinese civilization, the name of Taoism is known to everyone, but people often confuse it with Taoism, and the relationship between the two is often confused. Today, I will sort out the context and historical development of each of you. Many people think that Taoism comes from the morality of Lao Tzu, but it is not. The real formation of Taoism is in the late Eastern Han Dynasty, the Northern and Southern Dynasties, by Zhang Daolin and other civil organizations from the integration. After hundreds of years of precipitation and evolution, combined with Lao Tzu's classic works and cultivation methods, it has formed today as religious model. In the Sui and Tang dynasties, Taoism was at its zenith, integrating philosophy, health preservation and various auxiliary methods, and alchemy came into being. However, during the Ming and Qing dynasties, Taoism became rigid and stagnant. To this day, Taoism has not been able to shake off the sluggish situation, and has been reduced to a form of activity dominated by prayers and incantations, supplemented by self-gun cultivation. Some people may ask, now Taoism does not have mountain medicine, fortune telling, and so on. In fact, these are only side effects, no longer mainstream. The origin of Taoism can be traced back to the pre-Qing period, represented by Lao Tzu and Zi Huanzi. Among them were the Jews who were called Jews, and the Jews were called Jews. In any case, their academic ideas are the pursuit of heaven, advocating imitation of nature, quiet inaction. It is worth noting that we usually refer to Taoism as a religious entity, while Taoism focuses on academic practice. The two concepts are very different. Although Taoism also incorporates the Tao Te Ching and other works into the doctrine, most of them are only formal statements, and church personnel do not study deeply. Although Taoism has accessory and setbacks, it is much luckier than home. Since the learning of Lao Tzu and Zi Huanzi, Taoism gradually declined, lost its inheritance and development, and finally disappear in the long river of history. Some might say, how can the house disappear? Isn't there a Taoist canon in the Yuan and Ming dynasties, such as Taishanji Yin Pian, Dongzihan Taishanji Jingji Yin Ling, Bao Piu Zi, Jingjing and Wu Ling Pian? Although these seem to be similar to Lao Tzu as morality and justice, in fact, the value of the concept is far from the same theory. Today's topic is here. If you still have doubts about Taoism, I will explain it in detail next time.